beloveds, and welcome to this week's video. So this week we are all about the guns. Toned, sexy, lean, beautiful arms just in time for summer. I'm going to take you guys into the gym and show you some amazing exercises that you can do to tone your arms in the gym, and then I'm going to take you guys to the park and I'm going to show you guys some really beautiful exercises to do there as well. Now make sure, remember what I told you guys, this is a holistic approach to healthy lifestyle and a healthy fitness program. So here's the key, my beloveds. I want you to think in terms of your health holistically. I want you to think in terms of healthy lifestyle, fitness, proper mindset, meditation and spirituality, positivity. All these come together that bring you the healthiest, strongest, most beautiful version of you. So even though today we're working on the arms and we're doing weight training both here at the park and in the gym, I want you to factor in flexibility training, cardio training, and core training as well, because all of them come together to make the greatest version of you so that you can really become your ideal size, shape, and form that's perfect for you. So what are we waiting for? We have some beautiful, lean, sexy guns to build. So let's get going. Come on, let's go. Here, ready? 1, 2, 3. All right, come on, let's go. So first, my beloveds, we're going to start with shoulders. You want that nice rounded cap on the shoulder, just not bulky, just if you're a girl, just nice, toned, strong, looking beautiful. So we're going to start with these shoulder exercises. I'm going to show you shoulder exercises you can do here, outside in the gym, and also in the gym. So you have lots and lots of options. One of the things I like best about this incline bench is that you're not only hitting the shoulders, you're also exercising a little bit of your chest muscles, which is great. Now let's go ahead to these V raises. You're going to keep your arms perfectly straight. You're going to engage your core muscles in your stomach, and you're going to go ahead and keep your body perfectly still. The only thing that's moving are your arms. Your thumbs are facing upward and you're lifting and coming down. Now, let's go ahead and check out the shoulder machine. Here's what I love about machines, and this one in particular. All you have to do is sit down, position yourself in the proper place, pick the proper weight, and raise and lower your arms. That's it. The machine does everything else for you, which is fantastic. Don't get me wrong, your muscle is still gonna burn, which is great, because if it's burning, you know it's working. All right, let's move on to the next one. While you're working out, make sure you remember, my beloveds, you want to raise full range of motion, all the way up, all the way down. Slow, and make sure you focus on the muscle you're working on, regardless of whether that's shoulders, regardless of whether that is biceps, triceps, chest, or back. One of my favorite secrets is after you do your 10 reps at the full rate, you're going to drop the weight just a little bit, and you're going to do another 10 at the lighter weight. And then once you do that, you're going to give it little pumps at the top, just like that. That way you really feel the burn and you work the muscle to fatigue. And as you can see by my face right here, it really hurts, but it's a good hurt. Let me know if you'd like me to do an exercise program. We could film a whole program just in time for summer to get you guys all ready and in shape for the summertime. So message me below. Let me know if this is something you might be interested in. So let's go to our next section, okay? See, really focus. You want to incorporate mind, body, and spirit while you're doing these. I want you to think in terms of the body-mind connection. It's literally as if you are talking to the muscle. So right now we're doing the tricep muscle. I want you to focus on the tricep muscle. I want you, as you extend, squeeze, slowly bring it back down. Extend and squeeze, slowly bring it back down. You should be feeling a burn if you do these properly. You don't just want to like throw it like this, talking to somebody, looking at the cute boy over there, looking at the cute girl over there. Save that chit chat for afterwards, because the more you do these exercises properly, the more you're going to get that cute boy or cute girl's attention. Focus, mind, body, connection. Very, very important. C'est très important. Es muy, muy, muy importante. All right, my beloveds, this is one of my favorite tricep exercises. As you can see, I'm really engaging the tricep muscle there. You want to hold your body very still, bend your knees a little bit, engage your core muscles to hold your strength, and you're going to just push all the way down, squeeze at the bottom, and then really use resistance on the way up, so you're really getting a great tricep workout here. Also, make sure you keep your elbows right at your side and don't move them. Okay, now we're going to do tricep kickbacks. Make sure that you hold your elbow in place and you're going to elevate your arm as far as possible, holding and squeezing and then gently bringing it back down. This is a great tricep exercise if done properly. My beloveds, don't wait too long in between sets. You want to make sure as you're raising, you're going to squeeze, slowly come back down. So it should be 4 seconds up, squeeze, 4 seconds down. Remember the mind-body connection. Remember to focus. And remember, when you're done with your set, don't wait too long to get started with the next set. You want to keep going because that's how the muscle builds properly. You don't want to wait too long in between each of your sets. And remember, my beloveds, always remember that mind-body connection. It's one of the most important things if you want to properly build muscle. Another phenomenal weight training secret is using resistance. What I mean by that is as you raise your arm up and then you squeeze at the top, when you bring your arm down, instead of letting it fall down, you utilize the resistance and you resist against the pull of gravity as you're bringing your arm down. That gives you an added benefit and an added pump. I hope this gave you a lovely buffet of different exercises you can choose from as you're working out your arms. Message me below and let me know which ones were your favorites and which ones were most effective. Hey my beloveds, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure you do these exercises. Oh my God, my ass is on fire. This is so hot. I hope your exercises for your body are as hot as this is. And I hope your arms get as hot as my ass is right now on this hot little thing. Anyway, make sure you guys do these exercises because I'm telling you, they work. I'm 60 years young and I have been exercising my whole life. I'm telling you, just do, remember what I said, small changes equal miraculous results. Put these exercises into practice, start slowly, build your way up, and I promise you before long, you'll be looking in the mirror going, damn, I'm so pretty. Damn, I look good. And that's what I want for all of you guys. And you're gonna feel amazing. And that's the best part. All right, you guys know I love you so very much. I appreciate you. Make sure you guys head over to my Patreon page and check it out. I have some really cool things over there, podcasts, healthy recipes, and all sorts of other goodies. And head over to my website as well because I have the book there. I have programs. So until next time, my beloveds, above all, remember this. You can do this. You can change your life for the better, one step at a time. And I'm here to help you every step of the way. I love you guys. Ciao.